What do you see, Noah? You see some trucks? Yeah? What are you playing with?
I'm playing with a train.
A crane truck?
No!
Is it gonna pick that up?
No, it picked it up. Look at Mommy.
Look at that! Wow! Good work. Whoa, look how tall it just got. It's as tall as you, Noah.
Let's see how tall it is.
Is it taller than you, Mason?
Yeah, I know I'm taller.
You are taller than that. Wow.
That's a truck.
Can you drive it, Noah? Kind of. Yeah. Say good morning, Grandma. Oh.
Oh, you're gonna come sit by me? Oh, Grandma loves you.
That one.
There's a guy in there.
And that him, what's that? And the head him had.
Oh.
Huh?
Is the crane gonna pull it up?
No. Not right now. It'll be a long time.
Noah, did you and Grandma do that? Yeah.
Give me 5. Can you give me 5? Oh,
Did you and Grandma put the truck on there? Yeah. Can you drive it?
my bed.
Wow, you ran into my foot, Noah. What do you got? Oh. You putting the blocks in it?
Yeah.
Are you pretending the blocks are dirt? Did they fall out? A little dump truck.
I know bathtub.
You do.
That
He likes basketball, doesn't he?
I don't like basketball.
Well, what do you like?
I like to buy rest of my foot.
Drive a semi-truck?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. You brought me Kleenexes. Thank you. That's nice of you. What does Noah have?
I'm buying 4x4.
A 4x4 gator? I think they're too tight in there. There you go. Gotta pull one of them out.
That's passing onto the semi truck.
Yes. Are you parking it for the day?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh, good. Yay! You made a basket. You made a basket. Yay!